Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your new pick a card reading with charms. Yes, friends, how your May love and romance and relationships will be. Yes, friends, so here it is now. Many of you requested this reading, friends. Finally, it took me some time to do this reading, so here it is now. And make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot. Subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. And also, friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. And how are you doing, friends? I hope you are all staying safe and feeling positive. Yeah, times are tough, but remember, we are tougher, friends. We are tougher. We have made it through till here. We will make it through ahead. So stay positive, stay happy, and keep binge watching Magic Wins Tarot or other positive things that make you happy. So, friends, let's take a deep breath and also make sure to watch the May horoscope readings. I have posted, separately for every sign. So make sure to watch that also, and the other signs which are remaining are coming. So yes, subscribe, like, share, so you don't miss out on those readings. And friends, let's take a deep breath. Relax, let go of all worries. Relax, take a deep breath and choose option number 1. Lovey love card. This is such a beautiful card. I love this. And all right, sorry for that. Option number 2, the open up card. Option number 3, the coming together card. So friends, relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, option 2, option 3. Friends, I will leave the timestamps in the comment section so you can directly go and skip there. You can also choose more than one pile or watch the entire video, friends. Yes, so let's see for pile number 1. What will May love and romance will be for you? How things will be for those who chose option number 1. Let's see. Alright, I hope you can see. Number 6. So I feel this is a spiritual month for you, and this is a month of healing, growth, and harmony. Because you see, I keep getting my eyes on these leaves, it's like growth, it's like healing, and yes, I see happiness coming your way. These are your oracle messages and advice, and we're gonna see your initials also. I have them here. So let's see how your May love and work will be. Oh, not love and work, friends. Sorry, my bad. Love and romance will be. So your focus is definitely on work, I guess. All right. So yeah, currently you are feeling a bit busy, burdened, a bit. You're feeling like, something has ended and you are not happy about it, or you want things to end, you want things to change, you want things like, I want something new. Where is it? Some new romance, some new, connections, or a new start, a rebirth. You want that. You are aching for it, friends. I definitely feel currently there are some issues which are causing you some worry, but things will get better. Things will definitely get better. This is, a positive change is coming for you in the month of May. Relief is coming. Burdens will be lifted. Your pain, whatever is ending or whatever is stressing you out, that will be resolved in the month of May. The resolution of difficulties, a weight lifted off your shoulders. The end of an addiction or codependency. So yeah, I do feel in the month of May, yeah, you could be letting go of habits which were not right for you in love and romance, or maybe in general, like, you are not sleeping well, binge watching. So I do see, like, you also, if some people were not right for you, you might move on, or there is a positive change coming for you. That's what I feel. A beautiful change, a positive change. And 10 is a very lucky number. It is also the number of Wheel of Fortune. So May is a lucky month for you. Also, it is a month of relief. It is a month which will bring you I would say that you should watch. I think you should watch the May Love and Work reading I have done earlier. The link is in the timestamps, friends, because I think your worries are about work or about your future, also, not just love. So I think that reading will help you out. The link is in the timestamps. The first May Pick a Card reading, that's the one. So, what will happen in your love life? Let's see that. Ooh, Ace of Spring. So, a new romance is definitely coming for you, friends. I do feel a new romance, romance, exciting connection is coming for you. And even if you are single, you will feel more motivated and more excited to go after your, meet people, talk with people, or, take some action or changes, make some changes in your love life. It is time to take action, be fearless, and happily pursue your most treasured dreams. Amazing career opportunities. So, career is going hand in hand with you, friends. Pile number one. I do feel that there is I feel two things. For most of you, it is a new person, a new connection coming in, and it will be a relief. It will be like, you feel happy, you feel like finally someone is there to talk, to share, to understand, and it will bring you some excitement in the month of May. Also, I feel that for some of you, some past situation, relationship, or a no contact situation is going to shift into positive healing. So maybe that person will come back and they will try to reach out, and sparks of love will fly again. But for most of you, I feel it is a new person, a new connection coming in, and you're gonna feel like, oof, finally, life was getting too lonely, too boring, or something like that, and you're like, ooh, finally, someone is here. Let's see. Oh my god, two of springs. So, yeah, you are very busy, friends. This month is extremely busy for you, and not just in love, but I feel you are busy at work also. So, you will have to really balance your love life, your work, and career. So, you're definitely very, very busy. I also feel that whoever is coming towards you in the month of May, this new person or a past lover, they are also quite busy. So, you both might be in different cities, in different time zones, so you have to manage things a little bit, to work things out a little bit. So that is definitely there. A bright future manifested through hard work and creativity. So, see, a bright future manifested through hard work and creativity, and partnering with people, partnering with others who share your dreams. So, definitely someone very supportive, someone who is very caring is coming towards you. I also feel someone who is mature, someone who is understanding, and someone who won't leave you, a good friend. It is more than love, it is like a friend, a good friend coming towards you in the month of May. Also, somebody from the past is maturing up. They were really, I don't want to say this, but yeah, this person was behaving like really stupid. Now they are maturing, and they will try to reach out to you in the month of May. So great progress is being made. So definitely, I do see that whatever connections that will come your way in the month of May, or you are going to move towards a new connection, like you are saying the hi to people, whatever new things start or new connections start in your life in May, they will be mature connections. They will be people whom you can rely on. They are people who are supportive. They are people who understand life, who understand you, who are like similar to you. So get ready for that. Seven of Cups. So, yeah, I do feel that there will be certain confusions in this month, even though there is excitement, there is love, there is new friends, and, new excitement coming. But you will still be a little confused about the past person, why something happened in the past, why they left you, why they, put you in a third party, why things didn't work out. Also, with this new person, new connection, you will be like, what is happening in the future? Oh my god, let me know what will happen in the future. You want to know everything. You want to know all the answers. You want to know all the answers. So, I do feel that May will be slightly confusing also for you emotionally, because you are thinking a lot. You are trying to analyze your emotions, which is never fun. which is not a good thing, friends. Emotions are for feeling. You should feel your emotions. You should not think your emotions, but we all do it. Even I do it. So that's being human. All right. So, yeah, I do feel that even the new person or somebody who is coming towards you, they were also confused about you in the past. They were like keeping you waiting, or they were confused, they were not sure what to do, they were going through some hardships, some burdens. But now I do feel in May they will come and reconnect with you with some maturity, with some change, with some growth in their life. No more procrastinating. Your power comes from making a decision. Confusion that arises from over analyzing your options. Yes, friends, do not overthink in love this month. Do not overthink anything this month. Take life as it is coming, every day as it is coming, and take people on face value if you can. I do feel a supportive friend, a mature person, a mature connection is coming towards you. Nine of Autumn. Wow. So I do feel, friends, your a lot of people are watching you. A lot of people's attention is on you. I feel like everybody kind of wants you because you're attracting a lot of people, a lot of love. A lot of people want to know you because you're very independent. Pile number one. Also, your focus is mostly on work and career, and trying to balance your you know balance your life, bring more money. And people can see that. People see that you have this aura, this magnetism in May, and people are drawn towards you. I also feel some of you could be meeting a person in May which is actually a business person, or they work for themselves. And you may have to, you both are very busy people, so you may have to balance your time schedules because you both are busy in the month of May. Reward yourself for all your hard work, being happily and successfully self employed, cherishing your time alone. So, I do feel, friends, that in May you may also miss somebody from the past. Like, why this happened, why that happened. Maybe you will feel like, nah, I don't want love, I'm happy single because it's too much work, it's too much hurt, love is too much hurt. But I still feel that a lot of people are watching you, they are keeping an eye on you, and they are going to approach you or propose you. Oh my god, the Four of Spring. So, definitely a twin flame connection is coming, or someone intense is coming, which will feel like a twin flame connection for some of you. I also feel, friends, somebody from long distance is important to you this month, and there will be talks of marriage, commitment, or you are dreaming like, oh, how nice it would be to get married, to have a partner, to have a beautiful house, a palace, a wedding, and all that. So, yeah, and I do feel you might meet somebody on a wedding or through a dating site or a matrimony site. So, yes, that is also there. You know, a feeling of the talks of settling down, it's back in the mind of you. It's in your back of the mind. You want to settle down, you want long term commitment because you are very mature now. You are like, whew, no more risk taking, we want to be mature. So that is the energy this month for you. I hope you can hear me well. Let me know. uh, be grateful. You have much to celebrate, deep feelings of peace and happiness, and a contented personal life. Wow, this is beautiful. The King of Spring. So, I do feel an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, a very fiery, passionate, charming person is coming towards you. I also feel for some of you, this could be your twin flame that's returning back into your life, or a twin flame, or a soulmate, or a past lover coming back because they still feel the hots for you. They have the hots for you. Innovative, inspiring, wise, and theatrical. Yes, I do feel whoever is coming, they are watching you already. Like right now, they are your friend or somebody, or they know you through work or through social media. They are keeping an eye on you. I also feel this person is like you will feel this passion with this person, in this connection, this passionate energy, but you will find it hard to trust this person, because Seven of Cups, you are like, is this person emotional, or is it just lust? Is it love? Is it lust? Is it this? Is it that? So you are trying to think, because you are in a mature energy, and you want to value yourself. You want to put you don't want to accept anything which is below you. You want to accept something which you deserve, the love that you deserve. So that's on your mind: commitment, mature relationships, friendships. Oh, the lover. So I definitely feel choices in love are coming for you. A commitment in love is also coming for some of you. If you are married, your marriage was not going well, you can expect a healing in that marriage, in that connection, in that relationship. And six is also a soulmate number, a soul number, so definitely the month of May, you are attracting people. You are healing. Some of you are healing from the past. Secondly, some of you might attract somebody in the month of June. So you are preparing now. You may meet this person in May, but actually things may start to develop in June, because that is what I feel right now. That you will have a little tough time to trust this person, this new connection coming in for you. But I feel there is definitely a chance of marriage. Some of you could be meeting people for marriage, or with the intent of getting married with them, or settling down, or moving in with them. So it's a wonderful energy. True love that is long lasting. Choices made from the heart. A return to good health. So yes, I do feel healthy relationships are coming your way. Relationships which are positive, relationships or people which will stand with you through the test of time. And look at that, the King of Autumn. So you have a choice, friends. The King of Fire and the King of Coins. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is also coming for you. So you have a choice, friends, to choose the person who is the earth sign, or the air. I don't know why I said air. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, or this fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag person. I also feel that your focus is mostly on work, friends. Even though love is coming, love is there, romance is there, passion is there, you are thinking about love, but still every time, work is winning, your studies are winning. I don't know. It's just like every time things start to go well in your love life, you switch your energy to work, and you are like, nah, work is better. I don't want to be in this confusion. So you have a mixed energy here, a mixed feeling in the month of May. And don't forget, at the end of May, there will be a Mercury retrograde. So confusions are part of May. And also Pluto, a lot of planets are in retrograde also. In May, so that will also add to your confusions. Wildflower, so I do feel that a love is coming for you. I'm just checking if there are double cards or it is one card. Let me just see. It's one card, because it feels like there are two cards here. Wildflower, so I do feel that a connection which is quite exotic, which is quite unique, and somebody you never thought of is coming for you. And they are maybe your crush is gonna say hi and you will melt. So this is something like wildflowers. We don't plant them, but we find them. So this is a surprise coming for you in the month of May. You haven't planned it, but it is gonna come your way. Braid, wow. So definitely, and look at that, these are exactly the same cards. Look at that, two different decks. Look at this braid, this loop of the braid. It's like the DNA. Look at here. So definitely progress and a spiritual a spiritual relationship, a progress in a connection is coming. And braid, I also feel that even though you want to move ahead, or you have moved ahead, you still feel very connected to a past person, friends. Braid is like, I feel you're very connected to somebody from your past or your current lover. So there is a chance of things healing and recovering also there, so don't worry. Higher power, yes, destiny and fate are working for you, friends, in your favor. They are trying to bring you new connections, new people, and a renewed love, a healing in your life. So get ready for that. I also feel May is a destined month for you. Whatever is happening is destined. So don't worry. Don't worry so much. What you are safe, you are protected. And whatever happens, happens for our highest good. Mending, number 52. There is a lot of healing in this month for you, friends. Things are healing in your love life and in your relationships. If you feel alone, if you feel left out, or a relationship is not going well, things will heal in the month of May, definitely. Opportunity beckons, number 4, 4 of cups. Yes, I do feel, friends, that offers of love will come to you in the month of May. But you might say, nah, I don't want it. I'm too busy. I don't want it. Love just hurt. So you might turn your back on love. Even though love is coming, passion is coming, romance is coming, you might be like, nah, let's focus on work. I'm too busy. So that can happen. So you have to stay careful, friends. Not to say no to love, or not to. Don't try to be a perfectionist in May, friends, because if you are too demanding, I don't want to say that you will be demanding, but you might want to find the past person, or you want something which is not existing in the, how do I say this? You're expect you are looking for perfection, and if you do that in relationships in May, you may feel a bit disappointed. But remember, there is a higher purpose. Even if things don't seem perfect, like you are like, nah, I want my past person, I still love them, so what if they hurt me? So even if they come back, you are like, nah, this person hurts me. So there is this sense of perfection. You want something extra, something extraordinary. But you have to keep your expectations realistic in May, friends. Yes, that's important. And sacral chakra. So, very hot relationships are coming for you, and sexual chemistry will be amazing. Creativity will be amazing. So, you are attracting a creative person, an artist, a musician, or even someone who talks a lot, who is very expressive in their words. In when they talk, they express a lot, because I definitely can't stop talking right now in this reading. I want to pause in between, but I'm talking. So this person is a talker. They are very talkative. They could be a Gemini, Aries, Leo, Sag person, loves to talk. All right, so wonderful connection coming for you. Absolutely. This is going to be a month where you feel very passionate, you feel happy, you feel relieved. Also, will be sexual chemistry for you, friends. So, let's see some advice for our viewers for the month of May. Oh, luck is on your side. New moon in Sagittarius. So, friends, as I told you, you are extremely lucky. Do not worry that what you want you will not be able to achieve. You will be able to achieve much more and much exciting things in the month of May. So, let's see your charms now. So, let's just pull the romance angels, and then we're gonna see your charms. Ooh. So, healing family issues, your love life benefits as you heal your parents. So, definitely, I feel like some of you could be dealing with a past breakup, or maybe your family is forcing you something in your love life. Also, I feel like maybe your marriage was broken or someone left you. So, the focus is mostly on healing yourself, healing your childhood issues and past issues. And once you do that, I feel you have already been doing this, and you are very close to a new start in May. So once you are healed, you will find this amazing mature lover coming your way. And mature in the sense like they are understanding, they care for you, they love you, and yet it's passionate. So let's see child number 1, who is coming for them. Alright, let's see your initials. I'm curious. I see a lot of A, E, I, O, U. Have you sung songs like this? A, E, I, O, U. You. I'm just trying to make you smile, friends. I know times are tough. I hope you are doing well. Oh, so somebody's name could be Rati. I see the name Rati. I also, what else? Sart, somebody's name could be Sarthi, something like that. Sarth, Sart, Sati, Sati, somebody's name could be, I don't know, Sati could be a name. It could be a short form of a name. Rick, it could be Ria, your person's name could be Ria. Tia, it could be Tiara, Tiara. Tissa, their name could be Tissa. Ara, their name could be Ara. Sarah, their name could be Sarah. Yes, it and Sarah, those are beautiful. R-A-E-R, tear, you are getting the word tear. You are also making the word art here. So someone definitely creative is coming, friends. Look at that. Art is here. So Sarah could be the word. Someone from IT, information technology, that person is coming. Someone who is an engineer, doctor, a businessman. Art is important. There is also U and O. So those are your initials, friends. Let me know if you can make more words out of it. That's it for now. Subscribe Magic Wands Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye bye for now. So friends, for those who chose option number 2, let us see how your May love and romance will be. For those who chose option number 2, this card, open up. 4. Wow, this is a beautiful card. I feel things are definitely progressing in your love life in the month of May. You opening your heart to love, you finding a new sense of expressing, sharing, caring. So let's see, we'll see more. Let's see. These are your oracle messages, and there will be charms in this reading, initials, and we're gonna look at them shortly. So let's see how your May will be. Oh wow, first you start the month of May focused on work, money, 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 money. Money is on your mind, work is on your mind. Definitely, you are working hard, friends. I feel May is a busy month for you. Many of you are working, you're focusing on work, you're focusing on finishing your goals, your studies, or something like that. You're busy. Also some money worries. I see that you are trying to make money, or you're trying to, like, yes, I need to work, I need to do this, I need to do this. So you're working. Money and work is on your mind. uh, do more research before proceeding. Education in the form of seminars, going back to school, or apprenticeships are important. Excellent craftsmanships and long-term projects are important in this month for you. Yeah, I do feel, friends, you are trying to focus more on work rather than on love. I also feel that some of you are trying to read more, take a break from social media, read, finish your, you're trying to finish your course or study, revise your syllabus or something. So I do feel you're busy. You're also doing some crafting or learning something new. So you're busy. Let's see what else. All right. The 4 of autumn. I do feel that some of you could be in a long distance relationship, or there is a person whom you are waiting for, but I feel like this person is not talking to you. They are in no contact. They have blocked you, or you both have blocked each other. I feel this is like somebody who keeps you waiting and they are not sharing how they feel to you. But I see that in the month of May, there will be a positive change, because there is this card of open up. So someone will share their emotions, their love for you. I feel they love you right now, but they are holding it within. They are trying to suppress their love or not share it with you. But in the month of May, I do see someone coming towards you and trying to share their emotion, trying to share their heart. This no contact thing becoming like turning into contact, into communications. Manage your resources wisely. Advise. Achieve a balance in how you spend and save money. Help those who are less fortunate. Yeah, I do feel that your focus is mostly on worry, on helping others, but I also feel that there is somebody who is not talking to you right now, or things are a bit stuck, or in no contact with this person. So they definitely are trying to watch. You both are watching each other in the month of May, and they will try to come back and win you, I feel. Let's see who is this person. Wow, three of winter. So yeah, I do feel that this person has hurted you. They have ghosted you in the past, blocked you, put you in a third party. Also, I feel they are trying to heal these things from the past. Maybe you are meeting somebody who has gone through a breakup recently, or you have gone through a breakup. So your focus is on money. You want to focus on money, on essential things in life rather than love. But I do feel that things are healing. Things are healing, and if you are already in a relationship, things will open up. Things, past hurts and pain will heal. You will discuss. You will talk with that person, and things will get better. I do see things healing for you. Let's see what else. Oh, the Ace of Coins. So I do see a new start happening for you in the month of May. I also feel that some of you could be restarting this connection again from scratch. Like you are connecting with a long lost friend or a lover again in the month of May, and things will get better. It is like the first time you meet this person, it was not the right time. But now in May, things are more better. This person is more willing to talk with you. They are more willing to share their heart, and they are more willing to commit to you. So, congratulations. I also feel that for some of you, this could be a person coming from your work, your career, or where you study. This person is, somebody you study with, your co-worker. I also feel, friends, you also need to share yourself, share your feelings with people. I feel like you in May might feel like, nah, I don't want to talk too much. You're taking a break from social media, not sharing much. You're busy with work. You don't want to talk a lot. But I think that's exactly what you should not do. You should talk. You should share. You should express what you are feeling. If you like them, tell them. If whatever is on your mind, talk to people. A windfall of money, advice, or assistance from others is coming to you. A very successful project, a happy change in your career. So, my God, some of you are definitely changing your careers. I feel like maybe somebody new will join at your work, or a new colleague is coming, a new friend is coming for you. I also feel it's 50-50 for some of you. Somebody from the past is coming back, no contact person, someone who ghosted you, put you in a third party. They will try to reach out to you. Let's see who is this person. Wow, it could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. Wow, this is beautiful. Yeah, I definitely feel communications are a big thing for you in May, and especially because Mercury will be going retrograde in the half mid of the month. So you will have to work a little bit to communicate or express. I also feel most of your love will be online, on social media, talking to people there, connecting with people there, doing FaceTime or all those video chats. So that is how you will spend your, May, talking a lot. Information that can help you, but which may also be difficult to hear, speaking the truth with kindness, an indigo child or an adult. Wow. So I do feel someone very intelligent, someone who is, star seed like an indigo, a rainbow child, or, somebody which is different, very intelligent, very honest, is coming towards you. I also feel that there is a person you don't like, maybe from your past. You don't like them because they just don't share. They hurt you every time. But I do feel they will come back. I know you won't like that, but this person will come back, and you might have your defenses. You'll be like, "Why are you here? What's it now?" But I think this person is really coming back to make a commitment to you or start fresh with you. This person is eyeing you. Look at that. They are keeping an eye on you. They are watching your social media. Even if they are not telling you, they are stalking you. They are keeping an eye on you. And they really like you. This could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person also for you. Or a Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. Happy news about your career. All the cards are for career. One, two, three, four. But I feel this is also about love. It is like you are like, hey, I have been hurt. I'm focusing on myself. I will focus on my work. I don't want love. But love is coming, and it's best to share yourself, share your thoughts, your feelings. Don't try to keep this. I feel you're a bit, you will try to avoid company, not talk with people. Don't do that. Happy news about your career, promotions, or scholarships is coming. Well thought out plans that go perfectly, needing a little push to get going. Yeah, I do feel that you and your person needs a little push in May to start talking, to start collaborating, to start sharing, because you both are like, we are waiting and watching. The Magician, yes, I feel some of you can manifest a new relationship or a reunion with somebody, with your crush or anybody you have in mind. So, yes, if you are manifesting, well done. You are very close to achieving it. I also feel somebody finds you very attractive, and they are trying to manifest you. It could be a secret lover or an admirer that you have, and they are trying to like I want this person, I want this person. They are like, I want this girl, I want this boy. So they are manifesting you, and this will be a magical connection because it is different. This person could be, or you both could be, star seeds, different in some ways. Five of Winter. Wow, I do feel you have been through a lot, friends. You have been hurt, you have been rejected. It's not been easy for you. So, May is a month where you will take slow steps in love because you don't want to get hurt. Also, you want to know whether the person is trustworthy or not. Also, the past person is coming back. Those who left you, those who hurted you, they will come back because now it's their time to say sorry to you. So they are coming back and they want a reunion with you. And not just that, they want marriage, they want commitment, they want to propose you something, commit to you something. The Chariot. This month will be fast for you, friends. Things will be moving very quickly. You could be meeting or connecting with someone who likes to travel, or they are very travel friendly. They like bikes, cars. I also feel this relationship will be quick once it starts going, but once you are both ready to open up, things will develop very quickly in this connection. But until that moment, things will be like, should I, shouldn't I? Number seven is like, I'm confused what to do. Should I express to them or should I not? But once you do, bang, things are flowing. Success that comes from determination and dedication and self discipline, celebrating your accomplishments, and being in the spotlight. So definitely people are watching you, and someone is coming towards you, someone who is a traveler, or someone who connects with you on social media, and they will talk about traveling. It's a quick developing relationship. Time for a nap. Number 24. Yes, I do feel, friends, you should get some rest this month because you are busy, you're focusing too much on work, you're also busy in love, you're also hurting a little bit, something is making you sad. So take some rest, and someone is connecting from your dreams also, like a spirit guide, a soulmate, a twin flame is connecting with you through your dreams. Why? Number 31. So definitely, you definitely have a lot of questions this month, friends. Why they hurt me? Why they left me? Why you put me in a third party? Why can't you share yourself with me? What's going on? And why is it taking so long to manifest this new love? I think it won't take long, friends. It's just a matter of divine time. After the 7th of May, things will be better here and now. So I do feel this month you need to focus in your love relationships now on the present moment, not on the past, not on the future, because both are going to because we don't know what is in the future right now, and we know the past but we can't change it, we can only accept it. So it is time to focus in the present moment, enjoy it, share love, fall in love, say yes to it. Let's see what else. Option number 2, their male love. What will happen in their love and romance? All right, lantern. So this came again. It came in the first, I think, in some other reading also. Lantern. Wow. So I do feel that yes, a light is coming, a shining light, a solution, answer to your prayers is coming. If you are single, new love is coming for you. Absolutely. You may meet this person through work, through common study groups or social media groups, and they will be a light in your life. You both are helping each other. Cat, yes, self-care. And I do feel self-care is very important also. Cats are like very smart, so someone very caring, very sweet, very seductive also is coming towards you. And cats are like, you're like, yes, okay, I say yes to a relationship, but I'm cautious. I'm keeping an eye on you. So someone is keeping an eye on you, like, hey, is she mine? Is he mine? Are you single? Someone wants to know that. Toad, yes, a leap of faith is coming for you in your love life. I do feel someone wants to reach out to you, friends, in the month of May. I don't know if it feels both ways. For some of you, it's a new person. For some of you, it's a person who is keeping you stuck and confused. They want to reach out. Giving and receiving. Yes, friends, make sure in the month of May to share, to give, to help, to talk also. Not just, I feel you also need to do a little work by talking to people and not isolate yourself, not get too busy in work. Just breathe. Yes, I do feel you are attracting people who are your mirrors, your soulmate, your twin flame. So someone is mirroring you, or someone exactly like you, or someone, how do I say, someone, very special is coming, like a twin flame, a star seed, someone who is different is coming towards you, but they are very much like you at the same time. So let's take some love advice, and let's take some romance angels, and then we're gonna look at your charms. Ooh, codependency addictions are affecting your romantic life. So I do feel there could be a person in your life which is like, hey, I'm too busy. I wanna talk, but I don't know how to talk. Or they are like, hey, I don't know how to reach out to you. Or they could be, in a family, family is the third party there. I also feel that some of you also might feel like, nah, I don't want to talk to people, it's okay, I'll focus on my work. So that is a codependency. You need to balance your love life. Oh my god, wedding. So some of you are definitely going to get married this month, and definitely marriage is important. So some of you are going to meet a person you will end up marrying later on, or you could be meeting a person who is already married, or is a single parent or something like that. Let's see who is coming for you, in May. Let's see that. So we have a blank tile. If your person's name is not here, you can take that for the blank for that. I see the word Liz, Lizzie, Liz. There is an S, but I see it as a Z. So Lizzie, Liz could be the word. Elizabeth, Liz. I don't know. Dumb. We could make a dummy, a word. I don't know which words you can make out of this. Samir, maybe Samir, Sumira, Sumis, Lisa, Lira, Liri. Sid could be the word for some of you. Sid could be your person's name. There is also a blank tile. There is also me. The name could be Mia or me. And there is also this. And there is also the letter X. So yeah, so for some of you, it is an old X or somebody no contact coming back. There is also J. There is also C here. P here. There is another D. So there could be double D's. there is T, and there is A. So your initials are blank, LIRSIDMIIU and O. And that's it for now, friends. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. And this is Mystic C saying bye bye. So friends, for those who choose option number 3, let us see how your love and romance will be for the month of May. Number 2, coming together. Wow, I feel this is a very healing month for you. This is a month of healing, fertility. This is a month of opening your heart, sharing, caring. You know, a lot of family vibes, marriage vibes. Family is very important. Opening your heart. And these are your oracle messages, and I will be pulling your charms also. So yeah, let's see how your May love and work romance will be. Nice, nice, friends, nice. 3 of Autumn. So you start the month, feeling like, yes, you are ready to mingle, you are ready to meet, talk, share with people. You are looking for like minded people, you are looking for people who understand you and cooperate with you. You want somebody who gets you completely, easily, effortlessly, and I think you are going to achieve that. You are going to find people who understand you and who who where the connection is effortless. I also feel that this month, there is more cooperation for you in love life. There is more understanding, there is more harmony and healing happening in your love and all sorts of partnerships, be it love, be it romance or friendships. Follow your passion when it comes to your career. Be the best at what you want to do, and being compassionate, being compensated for your creative talent. So wow, I do feel that whatever love you have given in the past or the patience you have shown in the past, that will be rewarded, friends, in this month. So this is a wonderful month and a lucky month for you, because all are green, so this is a lucky month for you and when it comes to love. Oh wow, 8 of Cups. So I do feel some of you are moving into a new relationship. Some of you are letting go of an old relationship. You are moving into a new relationship, and you will find friends, family who will help you out. I also feel some of you could be shifting or traveling, or someone is traveling or shifting towards you, moving towards you, taking a leap of faith towards you. So that energy is definitely there. I also feel some of you are definitely recovering, friends, recovering from a heartbreak, recovering from a past loss. But you will be able to recover from it completely in the month of May, and you will find a lot of people helping you, a lot of people supporting you, a lot of romance, a lot of love, and a lot of passion. So, yes. 7 of Autumn. Yes, friends, I do feel that in the month of May things will be very busy for you, things will develop quickly, but you should keep some patience, because I do feel that too much hurry, you will want to make things too much hurry in love, in relationships. You will want to, like, let's go this, let's do that. You will feel this restlessness, you will feel that I want to do something, I want to achieve something. Even your person is like, hey, let's plan, let's do this, I want to talk constantly to you, and you are like, what's going on? I think the main thing you need to do is take a breath and be patient. Yes, I do feel there is going to be excitement in your love life. I do feel more people who understand you, who want to work things out with you, are coming towards you. And if you are single, you have been single since a very long time, friends, and I do feel your patience will be rewarded. All the patience, all the love you have given in the past, it will be rewarded, friends. And have patience and don't worry. Take time to rest and plan your next step. A prudent investment of time and money. So I do feel that some of you might feel like, oh, we want to, the relationship is not exciting, let's change it. Or you want to be like, I don't want to be single, I just want to be in a relationship, and it has to be now. All is happening, friends, all is happening. Don't try to rush things too much, because all is coming together for you. Listen to that card. Princess of Summer. So a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is coming towards you. Someone very emotional, someone kind, someone loving, a new person, a new proposal is coming for you. I also feel that, if you are already, in a relationship, things will get emotional. Things will get, proposals will happen, someone will share their heart, their feelings for you, so it's beautiful. If you are single, you are definitely attracting someone who is very caring, very nurturing, very sweet, very lovey-dovey, so it's a beautiful connection, and you guys might be very similar, like you are also the same, sweet, kind, loving, romantic, caring. So definitely I see a proposal coming your way. I see people trying to understand you, people more open to love you, give to you, and take care of you. Oh, Empress. So I do feel that, if you're married, the talks about expansion of family, having a child, expanding the family, planning for the family, a baby or something, all those things are there. I also feel that for some of you, your mothers are very important, or if you are married, your partner's mother is very important in this month. And you will find healing or some support from the females in the family or in your, some female is going to help you this month, and it will be amazing. I also feel if you are a man, you are attracting a woman who is very caring, who's very caring, who is very loving, and this person could end up being your wife or your husband. It's a genderless reading. So this person who is coming towards you is very caring, is very loving, and they will spoil you, they will take care of you, and definitely mother, they have that energy of a mother, of a protector, of a carer. And your mothers are also important, friends. Some of you definitely are planning or expecting a pregnancy or a childbirth, so yay. Six of Winter. So I do feel, friends, your love life is about to move ahead in May. Things will get better. If you are feeling like nothing is happening, it's only wait, I never find anybody. Nope, that's gonna change in May. You are moving towards happiness. You are moving towards peaceful love. You are moving towards relationship which are loving, caring, and giving. So wonderful. I do see travel is again important, like you are shifting, you're relocating, your mother is shifting, or your parents are shifting, or your somebody's parents are shifting, so they are coming to you, like your in-laws are coming or shifting, or your partner's parents are shifting, or your partner is shifting towards you. Travel is important here this month. Oh, the Prince of Spring. So I do feel an Aries, Leo, Sag person is also important to you. I also feel that, there will be a lot of passion in the connection. There will be a lot of sexual chemistry. I do feel you will both feel like, let's get and make it up. So, you know what I mean, right? Makeup, breakups, and those will be exciting times for you. There is this passion, there is this flame of love flowing and growing between you and another person. I also feel that you may find quick romances also this month if you are single, like someone quickly comes in and you guys have a good relationship. You talk a lot, but then they are gone, and another person comes in and you guys talk a lot. So there can be two, three people coming towards you, but all of them are kind and they are giving, and all of them will try to support you. And look at that, the Three of Spring. So, yes, I do feel, friends, if you are married, your family will expand. If you are single, you might get married, or you might meet someone with whom you will dream of getting married. You will fantasize, ooh, how will it be to have a home, to have a baby with them? So, definitely, your love life is expanding, friends. Yes, it is expanding, it is moving forward. You will feel excited about your future in this month. Let's see. What else in the month of May? Mushrooms, again, a lot of sexual chemistry, a lot of lucid dreams, a lot of, someone is coming which connects with you on a different level. They connect with your mind, they connect with your emotions, they connect with you physically also, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually, and you're like sizzling, you're like crackling. And also, some of you may, I don't know how to say this. I don't know what will you say. You may enter a relationship just for the sake of lust also, or you just because you need to be with somebody right now, like you need to be hugged at that point of time. But I think it's okay, it's all right if you feel like that, because you are going through some change, some transformation. I also feel, friends, you will have important signs before somebody comes into your life, like a new lover or this marriage happens. There will be a strong signs, like you see mushrooms, like you see 111, 333, 888 a lot. White dress, wow. So, wedding is very important. I do feel you are dreaming or planning your wedding. Most of you, you might even be looking at dresses and like, wow, we have to wear those, those wedding dresses. And if you are a man, you are definitely going to meet a person who expects marriage or who wants a commitment. So, lay your cards well, play them well. Bees. Well, again, a lot of sexual excitement is here. So you are definitely hot, 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 feeling hot, hot, hot. Again, this is also a lot of attraction, a lot of physical attraction, a lot of emotional sharing, caring, talks, planning. You're busy, friends. You're busy this month. So, yeah. And thinker, yeah, I do feel someone is obsessed about you. Someone keeps thinking about you. Number 444, and they will be making a move towards you, meeting you, and falling in love with you. Poised, number 48. Yeah, I do feel a lot of people are attracted towards you because you are so beautiful. You are like a flower. So bees are attracted to you. You are like this flower. Yeah, I would say, friends, stay positive and stay open. Love can come in more ways than we expect. So don't be. Keep your mind open and stay flexible. And I do feel someone very kind, someone very loving, a feminine person, a feminine energy. It could be a same-sex relationship for some of you, or someone who is very kind is coming towards you. And look at that. Wow, this is beautiful. Share the love. So I do feel there will be a celebration, a birthday coming up, or maybe, you guys will go out on a date with this person, or you might meet them on a birthday party of a friend or something, and you are like, wow, now that person is exciting and a leader. Wow, friends, this is amazing. I do see that someone very strong. I mean, like, strong in the sense, like, they are a kind hearted person, but they know exactly what they want, and they want is you. So get ready, friends, get ready for that. Let's see your romance angels, and then we're gonna look at your charms. So I do feel a very powerful person, someone who is kind, someone who is the emperor, emperor, empress energy that's coming in. Oh, very soon. Oh my god, clearly decide what you want so it comes to you right now. So, yes, friends, make sure you are asking for the right things, because if you are asking for, like, oh god, send me like a very lustful connection, it's gonna come, then don't say why it happened. This could be the one. Oh my god. You have already met the romantic partner you seek. So I do feel you may meet this person in the month of May, or you have already met this person whom you are going to end up marrying. So wonderful things. Let's see your initials. Option number 3. Who is coming for them in the month of May? Let's see. Alright, I see the word X. Lots of R's are here. Okay, we have double R, we have another R, so lots of R's, like R. And there is a tall, so somebody could be tall or slender or feminine, like, they are tall, and, somebody tall is there. Let's see. I don't know. Dom, somebody's name could be Dom, Dory, Dort, Dora. Somebody's name could be Dora. Their name could be Laura or Lara. Laura, Lara. That could be the name. What else? What else can we make? Mart, yeah, Mark. Man, yeah, someone very, I think if you are if you are a alpha male, you are attracting an alpha female. If you are an alpha female, you are attracting an alpha male. Not like an alpha male, but someone who has a kind heart. A man. Marry. I see the word marry. It's not fully here, but I feel it's marry. Like it could be a name. It could be Thara, Tarun, something like that. Those are the initials. Let's see. I'll leave it to them. I'll leave these words to you now, so you let me know. So the initials are R R R L O N T A T and D M N, and there is A, there is J, there is T, there is X, yeah, so there is C and there is D. So those are your initials for the month of May. That's it for now. Subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye bye for now.